Good morning everyone from a sunny Puerto del Carmen. I'm just going to show you around this new exclusive listing. It's a fabulous one-bedroom ground floor apartment. It's been refurbished to a very lovely standard. Nothing would need doing, absolute turnkey. It's on a central location in Puerto del Carmen on a gated complex. So let me show you around the apartment. Okay, so if we start off outside, you have a lovely little sunbathing area just over there. Lovely planted trees right in front of the apartment. The pool is just down there. And here we have the apartment. South facing, as you can see, it's got the sun on it. Nice little sun trap. Here we have the outside cooking station here to enjoy the outside dining. Over here we have a brilliant storage unit which comes in very handy. We have the water boiler there. So that's very useful. We have new patio doors, and as you can see, brand new flooring throughout, which is really nice. Fantastic countertop surfaces and space to prepare all your meals. Integrated appliances. You have a sofa bed here. So that's your living space. Just over here you have another storage unit as well with a safe. And just off here into the bedroom. Again, new windows and there you go for privacy and keep the light out. So that's the bedroom and the wardrobes there. And here we have the bathroom. There's a walk-in shower. So there you have it, a one-bedroom ground floor apartment on a gated complex in central Puerto del Carmen, refurbished to a lovely standard. So please, if you'd like to arrange a viewing, send me a WhatsApp, send me an email. I'll be happy to show you this fantastic apartment. Thank you.